Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. Welcome. In this video we will learn how to fill your social media calendar and schedule your next Instagram posts. A social media calendar gives you an overview of your upcoming social media publications. Scheduling the content onto your Instagram business page is important and helps you plan ahead. You will want to plan your content and schedule it thoughtfully. To create a social media calendar, you can use a spreadsheet. Here you can see an example that you can download for free at hootsuite.com. This is an example of a free social media content calendar which you can download and then fill according to your needs. You will want to include the exact time and day to publish your content, as this matters a lot. Invest some time analyzing the best days and times of the week to post for your business and industry. Also keep in mind global events that may be significant for your industry and your business. If you own, for example, a sports shop, you will want to keep in mind dates like the Super Bowl. Of course, you can use any type of calendar or, like I said, a spreadsheet, but since we have already worked with Canva in this project, let's use one of their calendar templates. Return to your Canva homepage and type weekly calendar in the search bar. A new window will open with all the available templates that Canva offers. Feel free to use any template you would like. I will go with this colorful illustrated weekly calendar. The first thing we are going to do is delete all the months that we don't need right now. Choose one month and then duplicate it a couple of times so that you will have all the weeks of the month filled out. Then click on Duplicate in order to create more of the pages. We need 4 in total for 4 weeks of the month. Think about how often you plan on posting on Instagram and plan your days by theme. One example could be the themes education, promotion, entertainment. Pause the video to think about your themes and add them to the corresponding days. This way you can, for example, decide to post a promotion every Wednesday. I uploaded our Instagram content that we created earlier over here. This way I can now add the image to my social media calendar and actually see a picture of my upcoming content. Take your time to create and edit your social media content calendar. Pause the video to complete this step and add any important features and information that you wish to include. Remember that this is an example and your results could look way different. Congratulations, today you learned how to optimize your social media strategy and how to create engaging content, making use of hashtags and scheduling your Instagram publications.